It's a cold, rainy Sunday in the Gold Country. Seems like a good day to tinker on a radio. Recently picked up a used 40-year-old receiver, Kenwood R-1000 from a Silent Keys estate. So looks like a great radio, but it's got a little problem. The bulbs are burned out, so we're going to tackle that job today. Greetings. Just picked up this Kenwood R-1000 receiver from the local ham club. It used to belong to a gentleman who's now a Silent Key, and looked like it was in good shape, so I got it. It seems to work. However, we're supposed to have some panel lights. One there, and one behind the dial, but no bueno. So what do? Let's tear it apart and check it out. Alright, well, it appears that all three of these bulbs come back to these three connectors right here with the red and white wires. So let's see what kind of voltage they're supposed to have. Alright, let's put the probe on there, turn it on, and well, look at that. Looks like 12-volt LEDs should work just fine. Alright. Got these from Amazon. 20 of them was about $6 or $7. And they look like they should be a pretty good size replacement for the little grain of wheat incandescent bulbs that were in there. So let's start splicing. Alright, we've got all those LEDs replaced. This is what the incandescents looked like. And they all did show open, tested them, and they are non-functioning, so get rid of those. So this is what we did. So it was red to red and black to white. There's another one right there. Red to red, black to white. And let's button it up and see what happens. Okay, the moment of truth. Alright, we have success. Got a nice lit meter, backlit tuning dial, and the mode switch is now light with the press of the button. Alright, next thing I might do is try and modify this thing to work on 12 volts. Let's see if it works. We have a 12-volt supply. How about that? We've got the blank filler off of there, and I'm going to duplicate that out of a piece of Kydex and see if we can mount a set of power poles on it. So that's about the dimension we're looking for. That should work. That looks like it'll do. Okay, the jack is installed. Now we just need to put the ends on here for the power pole connectors. I like to solder. Now we'll just push these guys home. And there you have it. Okay, we're all buttoned back up. Let's see if we can make this thing operate as a portable. I think we've achieved what we were looking for. All the lights work, operates portable.
Ahorita ya no tiene la antena túnel, ahorita está machada 1.0. No, pues sí, ahí está la diferencia. Antes vi que estaba saliendo ahí, hombre, así como la estaba trabajando. Bueno, es que un día ahí estaba con este muchacho. need everybody actually frying.
You get a little DUI, except you can't even, not only can't you spell your name, forget standing.
You might be able to fly, but you can't stand. I don't know. Anyways, who the hell knows? All right. But I got kids here.
But you got down into my noise. Let's call that Kilo Charlie 3 Lima Oscar Julia John Carlo in Delaware. Over.